stories waiting to unfold. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, summer floating through the seas. Ancient streets beneath blue skies, every corner comes alive. Cathedrals shining proud and high, touching colors in the sky.
Take my hand, don't let it fade. Every memory is made. Every heartbeat feels so free, like the endless Mediterranean Sea.
Mallorca shines so bright,
Golden days and endless light,
blue horizons calling me.
where my soul is wild and free.
Mallorca, stay tonight,
Wrapped in colors warm and bright.
one more sunset, one more smile.
Let's fall in love for just a while.
Hidden alleys full of charms,
Summer holds us in its arms.
cafes laughing through the day.
Music gently leads the way.
Harbor dreams and sailing skies,
Every wave reflects our eyes.
every step becomes a song.
Here is where we all belong.
From the old town to the shore, every view reveals much more.
Golden evening stars above. Every street is filled with love.
Mallorca,
Shining blue,
every dream begins with you.
ocean breeze and city lights.
Turning days to endless nights. Mallorca,
Hold me near.
every moment feels so clear.
One more journey, one more sea. This is where we're meant to be. When the island greets the dawn,
Mallorca keeps my heart forever on.